Come on, guys. Picture day. Elizabeth, get in the frame. Dorothy, stand still. Stay where you are. Just a bit to the left. Let's get together. Elizabeth, sit in the picture. No. Elizabeth, wait, come back. No.
Struggling with taking good photos with your phone? Here is Lenster. Lenster is perfect for you to take that perfect selfie. Your favorite pet. Your art.
Introducing Lensta, your iPhone photography kit. Turn your iPhone into a professional camera through adding Lensta's camera case, a macro, a fisheye, and a wide-angle lens.
Use the wide-angle lens to capture more per frame. Fisheye lens to master artistic flair with perfectly round panoramic photos. Or macro lens to bring even the most minute objects into crisp focus.
Every moment in our life is valuable. And while time is always fleeting, we should always take a shot. Let our moments live forever and inspire others. For if our moments live, we would live forever. Lenster, capture the word.
We are naturally wired to connect. And the way we live, well, it's changing the way we spend our time together. Introducing Griffin, a revolutionary Wi-Fi system that acts as a digital gatekeeper for the truly connected family. Unlike existing solutions, Griffin pairs power with simplicity. Just download the app, pair it with your Griffin router, and you're ready to view and manage all the connected devices in your home. With screen time management, you can easily balance internet time with family time. Griffin also allows you to set specific filter levels for each child in your home. When you're unsure if a site is appropriate or not, simply use crowd ranking, Griffin's aggregated approval ratings. Griffin doesn't only protect your children from unfavorable areas of the internet, it protects you and your entire home from unwanted intrusions, ransomware, and viruses. But Griffin is more than the protector of your digitally connected home. It's the guardian of human connections that happen inside. A reminder to set down the screens and to take in the smiles. Griffin, love the connection.
looky what I found. Another phone. Wait, don't stop the video yet. This is pretty cool. It's got a built-in Pico projector. What? Now I know this is not the first phone with a Pico projector, but this is a phone called the Moviphone. They took a unit this big, it's from Microvision, it's a projector, and they put it in the darn phone. 720p, and it can be used for a variety of things. A, you can just project your video, whether it's Netflix, YouTube, a video you shot, perhaps in a lightning PowerPoint presentation onto a wall. On the bottom are two speakers, so it's got stereo sound. It's got USB-C and, oh my goodness, what is that, a headphone jack? It is. Now, what's other cool about this is it's running a stock version of Android Nougat and has all your favorite Google apps. It's got a single camera on the back, it's got a fingerprint reader, and it's got a 5.5-inch 1080 display. Now here's the cool part. This isn't going to be for a Kickstarter. It's not available this fall. You can order it right now. That's right, you can stop the video after you finish watching it and buy this phone if you want. Now we haven't tested it yet, so we gotta still test it, but this is looking pretty promising. So this is called the Moviphone, and it's $599, and you can buy it right now.